in this video we're going to look at using master slides to make our life easier in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now when you first open PowerPoint you obviously get this blank slide and you've got two text boxes, and they're already set up with the fonts that you see and the colours that you see. So this is Calibri and it's black, this one is Calibri and it's grey. Now if I want to put some writing into there, so this is my title, but I don't want that font, or I don't want it in this place, so I've got to start moving it. I've got to edit it, I've got to mess around with it. If I then want to add a new slide, so let's have one the same, I've got to start all over again, so I need to change my font and change my colour and change the position. Now it's not difficult, but it's time consuming. Okay, and I might decide that I want to have a picture, maybe a logo for my company or my school badge or something that I've devised for a project. Now, last thing I was looking at was weather, so we'll go into here and we'll get a snowflake. I'm going to put the snowflake at the top. Now if I want that snowflake on every single slide, I'm going to have to either click on the snowflake and put it in the position, or I'm going to have to keep copying and pasting it, which again isn't difficult, but it is time consuming. So this is when we're going to use a master. So I'm going to open us a new PowerPoint, so we've got a blank one, and I'm going to go to view, and this time I'm going to look at my slide master. So it's got everything that could possibly be on this page, and I'm going to start moving it about. So in there I want that to be, I'm going to go for Comic Sans I think, and I want it to be red. Now for this box I want it to be in the middle, so I've got lots of space, and I want it to be very nice green. We'll make this look very Christmassy. I also want it to be Comic Sans, but I want it to be left aligned. I don't want the text to actually be in the centre, and not forgetting my snowflake. So what's that going to look like up there? No, I quite like that. In fact, I might put one down the bottom as well. There we go. So I've got my title in red in Comic Sans, I've got the main body of my text and my slide in green in Comic, and I've got my two snowflakes. Back into view, and I'm going to choose normal. And you'll see now that the first slide we come to is now set up how I wanted it to. My snowflakes don't move, I can't grab them, they're stuck there so I can't mess it up, and they're there on the master. So my snow project by Miss Tompkins. We're all important, so we need capitals on our name. So there we go, I think we'll put that one in the centre. There we go, my snow project. Now I want to start the information, so back on the home tab, I'm going to go new slide, and now I have a slide ready to go, again with the colours and the font that I asked for. Now the railways are always going on about the wrong kind of snow, so I could talk about the wrong kind of snow there. Every time I want a new slide, I can just add it in. It's not difficult. Changing the fonts and things isn't difficult. You all know how to do it, but it is time consuming. So that, ladies and gentlemen, if we view Slide Master, is how you make a master slide.